This court's going to call cause number F240340. This is in the 279th District Court of Jefferson County, Texas, and it's in the interest of Lelia and Nahim Kelly.
At this time, I would call Miss Marcel. Would you please state your name for the judge?
Valencia, Marcel.
And we are here today to talk about Lelia and Nahim. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is their father?
Christopher Kelly.
At the time Lelia was born, did you and Mr. Kelly sign a document whereby he said, yes, I'm the father?
He signed the papers from the hospital. I don't
Okay.
know if that's what you're relating to. And he signed the birth certificate.
Right. And Your Honor, at this time, I would offer the acknowledgement of paternity signed by both parties.
Say it one more time.
Ms. Marcel, I've just placed on the screen a copy of the alleged acknowledgement of paternity for the child Lelia. Is it okay if I take a look at this document? Can I see it?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Kelly, the same question. Is it okay if I look at this document?
Yes, it's perfect fine.
Takes A is admitted into evidence.
And Nahim, there's no such similar document. When did Mr. Kelly find out that he was going to be a father of Nahim?
When I was pregnant, when I first found out I was pregnant.
Did you ever tell him that he might not be the father?
No.
And are you requesting back child support or to start from here forward?
Start from here forward.
Now, do you have any safety concerns with Mr. Kelly with placing your address in the order?
In the address?
Your address in our order?
Say that one more time.
Do you have any family violence problems with Mr. Kelly?
No.
Are there any reasons why you would be afraid to have your address in an order?
It was breaking up. I didn't hear you because it was breaking. It had started breaking up.
I'm sorry. Is there any reason you would be afraid to put your address in an order?
The address in the order?
Yeah. Is there
I
any
have the
reason
same
you
address.
are? Okay.
It's going in and
You have
out.
the same address. What?
He knows my address.
Okay. Now, does Mr. Kelly visit with the children?
It's been a month since he's seen them.
Okay. But other than that, he was visiting?
Yeah.
Okay. And it'd be okay if he had overnight visits with the children?
Right now, I'm kind of skeptical about that.
It's never been.
Has he had
Kelly?
overnight visitation
Hold
with
on,
them?
Ms. Bronzito. Mr. Kelly, can you hear me, Mr. Kelly?
It's breaking up.
Yeah, I understand that, Ms. Marcel. You have a bad connection, Ms. Marcel. Mr. Kelly, just be patient with us, okay? We'll give you a chance to answer some questions, okay?
Okay, I understand.
Thank you, Mr. Kelly. Go ahead, Ms. Brownzito. You can continue your examination of Ms. Marcel.
Has Mr. Kelly had overnight visitation?
No.
What kind of visitation has he had?
He just came here to see the kids, and that's practically about it at the moment. He'll come by and see the kids, and that's it.
Has he ever taken care of them by himself?
No.
What kind of insurance do the children have?
They have Medicaid at the moment.
Okay. And what county do you live in?
Jefferson.
What county does Mr. Kelly live in?
I have no clue.
Okay. Do you know if he has any other minor children?
No. Not that I know of.
Okay. Your Honor, I pass this witness.
Call your next witness.
I'll call Mr. Kelly. Will you please state your name for the judge?
Christopher Charles Kelly.
And we're here today to talk about Lelia and Nahim.
Lelia and Nahim, correct.
Nahim? And do you wish to have overnight visitation with the children?
Yes.
Do you, have you ever had them overnight by yourself?
No, but I've been requesting it since they've been born. So no, I hasn't had that.
What county do you live in?
Currently, I'm in Jefferson County.
Do you have any other minor children?
No, only those two.
Are you working right now?
Yes.
We have a program called Choices. Oh, you are working. I'm sorry. Where are you working?
I'm currently working at a gas station.
And how much do you make an hour?
Currently, I'm making $9.50 an hour while I'm trying to obtain my CDL.
Do you work 40 hours a week?
Yes. Well, I mean, I just got started, so it is 40 hours a week, but I'm just now starting. I haven't been there just a little bit over 3 weeks.
But the last 3 weeks, did you work 40-hour weeks?
I wouldn't say 40 all the way, maybe like 30 at best, because it was mostly training, so they didn't technically put that all together. So I really wouldn't. But
And
maybe.
where did you work before that?
I worked at a few other gas stations prior to it.
So this is kind of the type of work that you've been doing.
I mean, I do here and there. It's I have a criminal background, so it's not that I have a full working history, but mostly jobs here and there.
Your Honor, I pass the witness.
Call your next witness.
I have no further witnesses.
All right. So I'll be honest, guys, from what I'm hearing, I think the only real issue that I have that I probably need to get some clarification on is Mr. Kelly's contact rights with the kids. Ms. Marcel, let me ask you a couple questions. All right. So up until this point in time, the contact that Mr. Kelly has had with the children has been when he comes to your house and sees the children under your supervision. Is that correct?
Well, he was living here for 4 years. He just
Okay.
left last May.
Ah,
And from then he was coming to see him.
okay.
So he was here with the kids up
And
until May of
I
last
should
year.
have started with that because I should have realized that. So, but I mean, since y'all separated, Miss Marcel, he hasn't had the children overnight by himself, right?
No, right.
All right. So, and Miss Marcel, in your opinion, do you think the children are ready to go spend the night with Mr. Kelly?
I don't know, because I don't know his living arrangements. I don't know where he's living. They've
Well,
been here.
We'll get to that, Miss Marcel,
So
because I'm gonna ask him about that. But I mean, if everything else is equal, do you think the children are ready to go spend weekends with Mr. Kelly? Or do you think he needs to get to spend more time with them first before he gets weekend?
probably spend a little more time with them before he get that.
That's not
Because he don't
unrealistic.
see them often.
Miss
But
Marcel. I mean, that's not unrealistic. If he hasn't had a whole lot of overnight contact with him since y'all separated, then they probably do need to get to know each other again for a little bit.
yeah.
Okay. So is that your really only concern in regards to this case, Miss Marcel?
Right about now, yes.
Okay, good enough. Mr. Kelly, nobody's pointing any fingers, okay? I just go by the facts. Nobody's saying you're not a good dad. Nobody's saying you're not taking care of your kids. All I'm saying is, from what she says, for whoever's fault it is, the children are definitely not at fault, right?
No, not at all.
Not their fault. So it's possible, Mr. Kelly, that your kids may not be ready just to come spend whole weekends with you, right?
No, that's not correct at all.
Okay. Well,
Correct. I mean, I haven't had a chance to state my facts of what's going on. He is only one side of the story, so
right. Well, but I mean, Mr. Kelly, the fact is that since you and Miss Marcel has separated, you haven't had the children in your care by yourself overnight, right?
No, I haven't. But basically, I mean, the facts of the matter is, like, I would go over. So it wasn't like we completely separated. We was kind of still in contact with each other. It wasn't just, we was basically trying to work on our relationship. So
Okay.
she fully what has all been happening. But I've watched my children by myself. I've raised children by myself. I also have 4 other nieces. So
Okay.
I mean, I
Again,
love.
Mr. Kelly, I promise, despite what you might think, despite how you might feel, this is not some type of a defense mechanism where you have to defend yourself. It's just the facts. I believe, Mr. Kelly, that you're a good dad. I believe that. Okay.
No, I am.
But I
I am.
have to make sure that the kids are ready. That's what I have to make sure of.
And I believe that they are. I mean, listen,
Okay.
I basically haven't seen my children in a while. Like, and it's been more than a month that I haven't seen them. If
Okay.
we're gonna, well, it's been maybe 8 months that I haven't seen them. I only got a chance to see him for his birthday. I had brought over gifts, and I got a chance to see my daughter. I just want to see my children. That's all. I mean, it's not any
That-
bad issues that me and her have against each other. We don't have any, because I mean, I don't want to kind of put it out there, but basically, we've had a discussion about this case, and she said to me that she wanted to kind of get rid of the whole child support situation. I'll do any and everything for my children, pay anything, do whatever. I just want to be able to have a chance to see them and spend time with them.
I'm going to give you the right, Mr. Kelly, to spend time with the kids. If nothing else happens here today, I want you to understand that I'm a firm believer in both parents being able to spend time with their kids.
Yeah, that's all I want. At the end of the day, we don't have any bad dealings with each other at all. I just want to be able to see them. That's all.
All right, Mr. Kelly, I meant to ask you, I want to get it on the record so everybody understands it. Before we started the hearing on this case, I explained to you that you had the right to take a DNA test for Nahim, right?
Yes, sir.
And you understand your rights. You don't have to take one if you don't wish to have one, but you know you're entitled to have one if you wish to have one, yeah?
Yes, sir.
And you told me that you didn't want to take a DNA test for Nahim.
No, I don't want anyone at all.
Good enough. Mr. Kelly, again, that's your right. I just wanted to make sure you understood what your rights are, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Miss Marcel, is there anything else you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
Yes, sir. He was. I heard him saying that he haven't seen his kids in 8 months. That's a lie. He was
didn't
just
say
here
8 months.
in.
He didn't say it much. You just misheard it.
Over
He
a
didn't
court.
say that.
Over a
But
court.
well, I know he was here in just in March. I just want to clarify that.
Yeah.
But
he didn't say 8 months. It was just okay.
Because it was breaking
Mhm.
up, so I couldn't hear because it was breaking up.
That's okay.
The
Mr. Kelly,
connection is bad.
well, you know, Miss Marcel, if you I'm gonna ask you to turn your video off. Now you might be able to hear better since you're not trying to do both, okay?
Okay.
Is that better?
Is it off?
Your video is off. Is that better?
Yes,
You hear
yes,
better?
it sounds much better.
Okay. What happens, Miss Marcel, is if you're trying to run the video and the audio, a lot of times the video will take over the audio and so you can't hear.
Oh, okay.
You have to have a really good internet connection sometimes to do both. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Kelly, is there
Yes,
anything
sir.
else you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
Well, basically, as far as my living arrangements, I'm currently rooming with my older sister. She has a 2-bedroom home, and I'm basically renting out a room until my living arrangements is kind of worked out. So maybe like a month or so. But as far as anything else, all I said, I want to be able to do any and everything for my children. I just want to be able to see them. That's all.
Well, I'm gonna give you that right, Mr. Kelly.
I really appreciate that.
You're gonna get to see him. I think you're a good dad, Mr. Kelly. I think you're somebody that wants to be a good dad. So
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you the opportunity to be a good dad, and we'll just see where it goes.
I appreciate that.
I don't believe, Mr. Kelly, that you would, based on just the short amount of time that you've been in the hearing with me, that you would ever take your children and put them into a dangerous situation based on how you're living. I don't think you would do that.
Never. I put my life before theirs. No, not at all.
The court's going to find the court has jurisdiction. The court's going to find that based on the testimony of the parties, this is the ruling of the court. I'm going to first find that Mr. Christopher Kelly has admitted that he is the biological father of Nahim, and that Miss Marcel has also admitted that he's the biological father. Therefore, Christopher Kelly is now named as the legal father of Nahim Niram Lee Kelly.
Naram.
Niram. The
Yes,
court's
sir.
going to find that the parties will be named as joint managing conservators of the children, with the mother as the primary custodian. there will be a domicile restriction in place as per the local rule. Any request for non-disclosure in this case is denied. In regards to the visitation, this is going to be the ruling of the court. I am going to order a short phased-in visitation schedule. There will be 0 supervised visits, Ms. Brown-Zito. Mr. Kelly's had enough supervised visits. He doesn't need any more of those. There will also be 0 half-day visits. He will go instantly to phase 3 of the phased-in visitation schedule. Mr. Kelly will get 1 full day of visit with the 2 children every first and third Saturday of the month for 4 visits. When those 4 visits are done, then Mr. Kelly will have 1 night overnight where he gets the children from Saturday at 6 to Sunday at 6. When those 4 visits are done, then he will start standard possession. So there'll be a very short period of time for a phased-in visitation schedule and then standard possession after that. I'm going to order Miss Marcel to continue to carry the health insurance that she has on the children. And based on Mr. Kelly's testimony, I'm going to find that there will be no retroactive child support in this case. That was also Miss Marcel's testimony. And I'm going to find that Mr. Kelly's child support based on his income will be $355 per month, plus an additional $40 a month for the cash medical. Those payments will begin April the 1st of 2022. Court costs will be paid by Mr. Kelly, but I will give him until September the 30th of 2022 to pay my court costs. Ms. Brown-Zito, did the state of Texas hear all the terms and conditions of my order?
Yes, sir. What was the gross that you used for the child support?
I don't know. Make it fit. There's 2 children before the court, no other children. So,
Yes, sir.
how you calculate your child support, Ms. Brown-Zito, is no longer my concern, according to the latest updates I have. I've just given you the number. Mr. Kelly and Ms. Marcel, Ms. Brown-Zito's office is going to send me an order. As long as it matches what I said here today, I'm going to sign it and send it back to them, and then they're going to make a copy of it, and they're going to send it out to both of you, okay?
Okay.
One second, Mr. Kelly.
Okay.
Ms. Marcel, do you have any questions about my ruling today?
No, sir.
Mr. Kelly, I always go ladies first. It's just, I'm old and that's how I do things.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Kelly, do you have any questions or comments about my ruling today?
Is it any way that, okay, I don't have any more money and that I'm not going to get my first check of, and it's not going to be as much as what I owe for April the 1st. So is it any way that I can?
How often do you get paid, Mr. Kelly?
It's like every 2 weeks. So it's
They're
like,
going to take a piece every 2 weeks. They're not going to try to take it all out of one check.
oh, okay. Because I wouldn't be able to pay that on that. Just
You're good. No, they'll take a piece of it out of each check. You said you get paid every 2 weeks?
yes, sir. Because I mean, I have coming
Stand
out as
by
well.
1 second.
I didn't want it to be short, have other bills coming out as well. So
No,
that's
no,
why.
you're good. You're good.
Okay.
They're going to take $182.31 out of each check.
Okay.
All right. Miss Marcel, Mr. Kelly, I wish you both the best of luck. You're both free to go.